Hey guys, in this tutorial we're gonna be making a React logo using only a bit of CSS. And this is how the final project is gonna look like here on the left. So I'm gonna be making index.html here and style CSS first. And then inside our index we're gonna get the basic HTML template, and the only thing we're gonna have here is a div with the class of React. And we also want to link our CSS here at the top. And last, we just want to open this with live server here. So this is going to be all the HTML we're going to have. And now if we go back to our CSS here, we want to target our body first. So we just want to make it full height, add some background, and we're also going to add some default font size. So we're going to be using this font size to either increase or decrease the image, so we can make it larger or smaller based on this. So let's target our React div. So we're going to be using a Radial Gradient for the background. So this is how that looks like currently. We want to add some background size. And that's gonna be our circle first, so this one. And then now we're gonna be adding this part right here. And these two parts are gonna come later with before and after. So we just wanna add this center part right now. And we're just gonna be using border to achieve that. And the last thing here, we just wanna add some border radius. So that's the same thing we have here, so the middle part and the circle. And I also want to center this on the page so it's easier to see once we style it. So we're gonna add position absolute here. And to finally center it on the page, we need to use transform. There we go. So now we can see it properly here. And then we can target both before and after, because we're gonna have some same styles for both of them. So we made two of these same borders, so they're on top of each other. One is gonna be for before, so this one, and we're gonna use the second one for after. And we also wanna add some border radius here. So now here we only wanna target the before, and we're gonna do the same thing later for after. So this is our first one, and our second one is still on top of the center one, so we wanna target after now to fix that. So we want to put that at -60. And that's all it is to making a React logo with CSS here. So the only thing left, if you guys want to change the size of this logo, you will go to body where we have font size, and you just want to decrease this to, let's say, 3 or less. You can make it bigger, smaller, let's say 1. You can add 12, so this is what it was. Make it bigger, like 22. So if I resize the page, you can see it properly. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.